Yeah, 300 million was the settlement in with the New York AG about what, 6 months ago.
Yeah, like that March.
170 million was the settlement in Massachusetts. Okay, that's 500 million. This is another 325 million. As we know, European legislators are a little tougher on these rideshare, not on these, actually on rideshare companies, because there's like Grab and there's other Bolt. There's other rideshare companies around the globe that are not here. Here we only have Uber and Lyft. I mean, Lyft is also guilty of this, but then they're not in Europe. So this is the European courts decided that Uber was, supposedly it's illegal for Uber Europe to send all the data that they collect from the European drivers in the European Union, and ship it back to the US for data analysis, supposedly. I didn't know that. But then the court said 324, please. So now, 324, 325, the 650, another 150 is 800 million in fines. You know what I mean? That's where Uber's profits go.